In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Miro to Zoom. By the end, you'll have the Miro whiteboard app available right inside Zoom, so you can brainstorm, map ideas, and collaborate without switching windows during a meeting. First, make sure you're in the Zoom desktop app with your meeting controls visible. You'll typically see the toolbar at the bottom of your meeting window. If it's hidden, just move your mouse or tap your screen to bring it back. On some screens, the toolbar can appear at the top, so take a quick look there if you don't see it immediately. This is where we'll access the Zoom Apps panel. Now, on that meeting toolbar, find the More button, the one represented by 3 dots. Click that 3-dotted icon to open the extended menu. From the menu that appears, select Apps. This opens the Zoom Apps experience, where you can browse and install apps that work directly inside your meeting. Once the Apps panel is open, use the search field and type Miro. As you type, Zoom will filter the results. You're looking for the official Miro app, the visual collaboration tool with the familiar colorful logo. If you don't see it right away, double-check your spelling, make sure you're viewing all apps, and give it a second to load. If the app still doesn't appear, it can be due to an outdated Zoom client or an admin-managed setting that restricts new app installs. So updating Zoom or checking your organization's policies can help. When you see Miro in the results, click it, then choose Add. Depending on your account and settings, the button may read Add, Install, or Open if it's already installed. Clicking Add begins the installation and may prompt you to review permissions. Take a moment to read the prompts and proceed if everything looks good. After the install completes, Miro will open inside Zoom, usually in a side panel, ready for you to access your boards and bring them into the meeting. If you're asked to sign in to your Miro account, that's normal. Have your login details handy. That's it. From now on, you can open the 3-dotted More menu, choose Apps, and launch Miro anytime during a Zoom call. If others in your meeting don't see Miro, they may need to add it on their side or join your shared board when you present it. For the smoothest experience, keep Zoom updated to the latest version, and make sure your team's permissions allow Zoom apps. You're now connected and ready to collaborate visually without leaving Zoom.